In today's video, I'm going to teach you simple time blocking in Obsidian using the calendar plugin. We'll start right inside Obsidian. Open the app and head to Settings. In the sidebar, find Community Plugins. You'll see a switch labeled Safe Mode. Turn Safe Mode off. This allows Obsidian to run third-party plugins. Only install plugins you trust, and if you ever change your mind, you can turn Safe Mode back on later. Next, click Browse to open the Community Plugins directory. In the search bar, type Calendar. Select the Calendar plugin from the results, click Install, and then click Enable. Once enabled, the Calendar panel becomes available so you can quickly jump to daily notes by date. Now open the calendar panel on the right side of your workspace. If you don't see it, make sure your right sidebar is visible. You should see a monthly view. Click any date on the calendar. That action opens or creates the daily note for that date. Daily notes are perfect for time blocking because you can see your plan in a focused, date-specific page. Inside the daily note, we'll structure the day with clear headings using Markdown. Type 2 hash symbols followed by a space, then the time range and a short label. For example, type 2 hashes, space 9:11 on work session. Press enter and add a brief description if it helps. Then add another heading for 11 o'clock for admin tasks and another for editing. Using headings makes your plan easy to scan and keeps each block visually separated. If you want to track specific actions within a block, add task checkboxes. To create a checkbox, type a dash, a space, an open bracket, a space, a close bracket, another space, and then your task. For example, dash space, bracket space, finish report. The next line, add another checkbox for email clients. As you complete items, click the box to mark them done. This gives you a quick visual record of progress inside each block. Repeat this flow for other days by clicking different dates in the calendar panel. You can copy and paste your favorite time block structure to keep things consistent. Keep your labels short, your time ranges realistic, and leave a little buffer between blocks so your schedule is flexible. That's it. With the calendar plugin enabled, clicking a date, writing headings for time blocks, and adding optional checkboxes gives you a simple, reliable time blocking system inside Obsidian.